So this right here is a 3x3 potion brewer. As you can see, it is a perfect 3x3. And basically how it works is that when you press this button, those potions in here in this brewing stand will be pushed into this barrel right here. And then after that happens, the system will start creating another batch of potions. So basically every time you press this button, the potions that are brewing will be pushed into this barrel, and then it will start another cycle of making potions. And that's basically how it works. So next I'm going to be showing you guys how to build this, and this is the material list that you're going to need right here. These items down here are just temporary and they're not going to be part of the final build. And if you want to create a potion that requires 5 ingredients, for example using gunpowder and dragon's breath, I'm going to be showing you how to do that too. And it will just make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start off with is a barrel right here and a block right next to it. A button on top of this. It has to be a wooden button, that is important. And then you want a hopper into this barrel. You want to place a redstone torch right here, a block above it, and another redstone torch just like this. And this redstone torch should be off. Next, what we're going to do is get our observers, and this observer is going to be observing this turned off redstone torch right here. And then we're going to place another observer right here, a sticky piston right here, and then an observer with the redstone part facing up. And then we are going to place a block right here. Next, we're going to get our brewing stand, and we're going to place it right here. And then we're going to place a hopper here, a hopper above the brewing stand, just like this, and a hopper feeding into this hopper that's above the brewing stand. After that, we're going to get our droppers, and these have to be droppers. This is very important. And you're going to be placing them facing into these hoppers just like this. We're also going to be placing another dropper right here. And this one is going to be feeding into this hopper right here. After that, we are going to place another observer like this with the face looking up. And then we are going to place a comparator right here. That should move this observer over, which is fine. And then what we're going to do is just place another observer right here. And this one is going to have the redstone part facing into this block that we've placed. And then we're going to be placing a dispenser. This part does have to be a dispenser. That's very important. And then we're going to quickly turn off and turn on this comparator by pressing on it. So it's just going to look like this. And this is going to move the observer back into its original place. Next, what we're going to do is place glass bottles into this dispenser. So the dispenser does have to be completely filled with glass bottles. It would look something like this. Or if you have enough glass bottles, you can just fill up every slot with a stack. But if you don't, you can just make sure that it's completely filled up evenly. If you don't, it can cause quite a bit of problems if one slot is empty. I will show what basically it will do if you do it wrong. So just make sure that all the slots are basically full in the dispenser. Next, what we're going to do is place a rail on this hopper right here, and then we're going to place a minecart on top of that rail. We're going to break the rail, and then we're going to get a trapdoor, doesn't matter what type. We're going to get a trapdoor, a piston, and then any sort of buildable block. Any block, doesn't really matter. And then you want to place a piston right here, and then the trapdoor is going to be looking like this, just like that. And then what we're going to do is just power this piston. And basically this piston will push down that trapdoor into the minecart just like that. And then we are going to get a glass block, which I forgot, and we're going to place it right here so that that minecart doesn't move around. After that, what we're going to do is just simply waterlog this trapdoor right here. So it's going to look like that. After that, we are basically done with the building part, but I'm going to be showing you where to place your ingredients. So the nether wart is going to go into this first dropper right here. This one right here. And then the next one is going to be the modifier. So this is either going to be gunpowder, redstone, or glowstone. And you're going to place it right here. And then the next ingredient is going to be like the ingredient that makes it what it is. So it's going to be sugar. So I'm going to make swiftness potions. But for you, it could be magma cream. It can be golden carrots for night vision. So yeah. The next thing you want to do is actually put blaze powder into the slot right here, and then you just want to press the button. And this is what it should look like. So as you can see, the ingredients are in the correct order: sugar, then redstone, and the nether wart is in there, and then it should start brewing. On the first time use, there will be no potions into the barrel, but basically once this is done brewing your first batch of potions, you can press it again and it will start working as intended. So once they are done brewing, you can press the button again, and as you can see, the potions will be put into the barrel, and then another set of potions will start brewing. And that is it for the 3-ingredient potion maker. If you want a 5-ingredient potion maker, I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. It's very easy. So what you're going to do is get your droppers, and you're going to place 2 more across here, just like this. And then you're going to place a block right here, and then a block right here. And then you're going to add a repeater, and you're going to set it to the max setting, just like that. And then you're going to get 2 hoppers and place it just like that. This, just for this example, I'm going to grab gunpowder and also dragon's breath, just so that we can make the max tier potion. So this is going to be gunpowder, and this one is going to be dragon's breath. If you only need 4 ingredients for some reason, you can just simply remove this repeater right here. You can remove all of this essentially. You can remove this, and then that's basically all you need. You just need to add another dropper right there. But I do want to show you guys what it looks like when it's creating a max potion. So let me rebuild this. Alright, so now we have it set to make a 5-ingredient potion. So currently our potions of swiftness have already been made, but if we press it again, those potions will be removed, and then we should get all of the ingredients right in this item hopper right here. So it's going to make it a swiftness potion, it's going to make it 8 minutes, and then it's going to make it splash, and then it's going to make it lingering. As you can see, our potions have been made. Lingering potion of swiftness for 2 minutes, and all we have to do is press this button. Those potions will be put into the barrel, and then it will start creating more of that potion. And that's going to be it for this video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.